If you are waiting for Samsung's budget smartphone, then there is good news for you. The company is going to launch a new phone under its A series, whose name is going to be Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. In this you are going to get great features at a low price. Its features have been revealed even before its launch. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's start. Features of Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. Samsung Galaxy A36 smartphone is going to get a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, which will have a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, with 120 Hz refresh rate, which you can see in 85.60% display body dimensions. Apart from this, it will have in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 camera setup. In this smartphone, you can see a triple camera setup at the back, in which a primary shooter of 50 megapixels will be provided. Apart from this, a 5 megapixel micro shooter and 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera has been provided. Apart from this, you also get great features like LED flash, digital zoom, auto face detection, and talk to phone. If we talk about the front camera, you will get a 12 megapixel front camera. Processor. Talking about the processor, it is said to have Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. Mali G68 GPU is also available in it, as graphics, because of which this smartphone will perform brilliantly in every field. And if we talk about the operating system, you get to see Android 15, with the latest One UI 7. Battery backup. Talking about battery, this phone will also be provided with a powerful 5000 mAh battery, which can be fully charged in 25 minutes with the help of its 65-watt fast charger. Price or launch date. In this mobile, with 8GB RAM and 128GB memory, the price of this phone is going to be around $250. If we talk about the launch date, it will be presented in March.